Last lecture we have gone through the conversion from octal to decimal for integer numbers. Now we'll see conversion from octal to decimal for the fractional numbers. Okay. Now we will see one fractional number, that is what, 0.14. What? 0.14. 0.14. We have to convert this 0.14 base 8, that means octal to what? Decimal, x base 10. Here we will have to find out x. What we have to find out? X. Now this is the fractional number. Okay. For my convenience I will write the number as, I will write here as 1 4. I will write here as 1 4. Here I will write 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2. Because we are converting from what? Octal to decimal. Last lecture we were writing, last time when we are converting from binary to decimal, we were writing 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 1 and 2 raised to minus 2. But here as it is octal number, we are writing 8 raised to minus 1 and 8 raised to minus 2. Now let us multiply these two and add, multiply these two and add. Now I will write here as decimal equivalent of 0.14 is, I will write here as 1 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to minus 2. Now this is equal to 1 into 1 upon 8 raised to 1. 8 raised to minus means what? 1 upon 8 raised to 1 plus 4 into 1 upon 8 raised to 2. 8 raised to minus 2 means what? 1 upon 8 raised to 2. Now I will write here as 1 into 1 1 upon 8 plus what? 4 into 1 4 upon what? 8 square is what? 64. Okay. You can directly calculate this cause you can use calculator for senior college. Now I will write value of 1 by 8 as 0.125, and if I use calculator and if I do 4 upon 64, it will be what? 0.0625. 0.0625. Now using calculator you will have to add this. This will be 0.1875. What this will be? 0.1875. What base we have got, or what base we will have to write? Base will be here what? 10. Base will be 10. And the number was in what? The octal. No, the number was octal number. So I will write answer as what? 0.14 base 8 is equal to 0.1875 base what? 10. Cause the number we have got is in what? It is in the decimal form. Once again we'll repeat. The number they have given, the octal number they have given, and the number is fractional. It is less than 1. It is written in terms of point and next number 0.14. Now x base 10 you have to write. X we have to find out. For finding x you write 1 4 for our convenience. Now from left you write 8 raised to minus 1 and 8 raised to minus 2. This is for our convenience. Now we will multiply 1 into 8 raised to minus 1. We will perform like this, and we will perform 8 into minus 2. So 1 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to minus 2. 1 into 1 upon 8 raised to 1 plus 4 into 1 upon 8 raised to 2. 1 into 8 raised to minus 1. It means what? 1 upon 8 raised to 1 plus 4 into 1 upon 8 raised to 2. 1 upon 8 plus 4 upon 64. 8 square is what? 8 8 is 64. Now you can directly use calculator. I have calculated value of 1 upon 8 as 0.125 I have calculated value of 1 upon 8 as 0.125 and value of 4 upon 64 is the 0.0625. I have added them directly using calculator and I have got 0.1875 and the base we have obtained is what? 10, that is 10. Now write the answer as 0.14 base 8 is equal to 0.1875 base what? 10. We have obtained this number what? In terms of what? Decimal. So this is the conversion of what? From fractional octal to decimal. Now let us find out next num conversion. Write again title, find out the decimal value of 0.54 and it is given in what? Octal system. Okay, I will write the number they have given is 0.54 in terms of what? Octal number system. Okay, now we will write I will write for our convenience 5 4 here I will write 8 raised to minus 1, here I will write as 8 raised to minus 2. Now what I will do, I will multiply these two, add to multiplication of these two. I will write 5 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus what? 4 into 8 raised to minus 2. Before that what we will have to write? Decimal equivalent of 0.54 is equal to. Now you write 5 into 8 raised to minus 1 means what? 1 upon 8 plus 4 into 1 upon 8 raised to 2 is equal to 5 upon 8 plus what? 4 upon 8 square. 8 square means what? 64. 8 8s are 60. 64. Directly I will write. I will calculate. I will write from calculator. Calculating 5 by 8 will be 0.625 and 4 by 64 is equal to 0.0625. You can use calculator for senior college. For junior college you were using the log table, logarithmic table. Now I will write the answer as final answer as 0.54 base 8 is equal to what? 0.6875 base 10. So this was the conversion from what? Fractional octal to what? Fractional octal to decimal number. So this will stop now. I will upload this video and you just solve at home, write notes whichever I have given in the form of PDF. So thank you for now.